Local law enforcement has also been sounding the alarm about the growing number of ghost guns here in the Bay Area.
There's also strong support for the president's call for so-called red flag laws to keep those guns out of the wrong hands. Ground Force Rob Flattable has more now from San Jose with the live report. Rob.
Well, that's right, Ken. The numbers tell the story. The district attorney here tells me that the number of ghost guns used to commit crimes here in the county has increased more than fourfold in recent years. Here's more.
And we have seen in our county a proliferation of dangerous ghost guns.
Santa Clara County District Attorney Jeff Rosen is on board with President Biden's executive action on ghost guns, which the DA says are proliferating by skirting California law.
Because they're sold from out of state and the parts are put together by a person in our state and they wind up putting together a weapon that they could not purchase in California.
Rosen says the county crime lab has examined 114 ghost guns in 2019 compared with just 25 back in 2017 and suspects the numbers are far higher today.
They buy the parts separately over the internet. There are no serial numbers on any of the parts, and so they're very difficult to trace. That's why we call them ghost guns.
Rosen says mass shootings like the one at the Gilroy Garlic Festival might have been prevented if Biden's proposed red flag law, already on the books in California, were expanded to allow courts to make it easier for people to obtain restraining orders against family members and others who shouldn't be allowed to purchase firearms.
If someone had told the police, there's this person that's making a lot of threats to commit a mass shooting, that's going online and posting all kinds of images about wanting to commit a mass shooting. I know this person has assault weapons. If someone had called the police and told them that, the police would have called the DA's office. We would have gotten a gun violence restraining order, gone to a judge, and within a matter of hours been able to remove the guns from the hands of that person.
Rosen says the number of restraining orders issued by county courts last year rose to 122, up from just 4 in 2017. He believes the executive actions on gun violence at the federal level will make a difference at the local level.
I think what President Biden is proposing is reasonable, common sense legislation that will help to reduce the scourge of gun violence that we have in our country.
Now, as for the opposition, Rosen says that by his interpretation, while the Second Amendment calls for, or at least allows, the right to bear arms, he says that same Second Amendment allows for the regulation of those arms. Live in San Jose, Rob Flattable, KRON 4 News.